All right, everyone. I didn't have time to get cameraed up and to do check my line lock. However, I'm gonna do a quickie on the side pipe. Sounds really awesome, and I want to share that with you guys. So that's what we're gonna do. Just a quick vid, let you hear the car. And we got the stickies on. We're not gonna run it hard, but we're gonna run it out. And by the way, we are at our 1,000-mile mark, so that's all. I just need some time. It rained most of today, and just time ran late. And it's almost, well, it's 9 o'clock right now, so I can't get out to get the video I want, but I want you guys to hear this car, and we're gonna run it and see how she does. See how it feels. First time running with the 373 gears and the stickies. We're just gonna roll out. It's a little throaty. So she does grab a little bit better. We slipped in second, but we rolled out. So I imagine once we get these tires hot, we're gonna hook up. I hope. A gurgle. A lot of gurgle. That's a new sound for me. Now those are GT500 mufflers from 2012, Shelby, and long tubes, Dynatech long tubes, Dynatech 3-inch X pipe. Resonators are out. Borla over the exo exhaust, 2 3/4 inch, and side pipes are on with the restrictors off, and it sounds awesome. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.